Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum. Cash Pillar, this earning apps new release Google Play Store. Okay, app link video description. First time sign up your account, sign up and login process same. Type your email account and type your password. Okay, automatically login my account. 200 coins free and 10 ticket. Okay, first working now. Capture solve, unlimited capture solve and unlimited coins earning 2-player connect. Okay, online capture solve available. Your answer. Okay, type your app text. Okay, submit or loss. Okay, click on the lucky spin. Just I am working now, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel. 10 coins added and next climb. Just waiting now. 95 seconds. Okay, click on the referral earning option, invite and earning. I use my referral code. Okay, join my Telegram channel, all update share Telegram. Okay, Telegram referral code automatically copy system available. Okay, enter code, use my referral code. I am use my phone referral code. 315 coins free and 5 token ticket free. My referral code use. I am use my phone referral code. Okay, then scroll down. Quick playing tax offerable survey, unlimited survey available, all offer survey, daily survey and video survey available now. Okay, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, new earning apps and earning website review. 99% real earning apps and website I am share now. Okay, then back and click on the video ads and open daily reward. Click on the collect 100 coins earning. Click on the watch video ad watching and unlimited earning now. Ticket. Okay, buy ticket and winner list. I am not winner. Then click on the jackpot, unlimited winner system available. Then I am click on the payout option, payout send money. Only 0.10 PayPal available, high amount $50 and Coinbase available. Very interesting earning apps. This earning app real. Okay, Google Play, Amazon, Google Play gift card available. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel. Do not miss this video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.